going to be talking about if statements as well as lists. So a list is anything within brackets. So for example, we can make a list called A, B, and C. We just print it and we get out the list. We can also put in some integers. We can do 1, 2, 3. And once again, we have it in a nice list right here. For if statements, if we can do if A is in A, B, C, print A is in the list. And C, so we have that printed out. We can also do this with numbers. So say we have two variables, A is equal to 22 and B is equal to 30. We can introduce some operators such as a double equal sign, which that just means equal, an exclamation point and an equal sign that means not equal, and then the greater than symbol or the less than symbol. So if A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. We can then add an elif statement. A is less than B, print A is less than B. And then finally, we close it off with an else statement. So if it doesn't follow this first condition that we set and it doesn't follow the second condition, that's when the else statement comes in. Print A is equal to B. And if we run it, we see that A is less than B. If we change 22 to 40 and run it again, A is greater than B. And finally, if they are equal, A is equal to B. And this can be a very helpful way. You'll see this in a lot of different codes as well. So let's try another example using some lists. So let's call this list 1 is equal to ABC. We run it again. Always got to make sure that we run everything. So if A is in list 1, print A is in list 1. And we see we have that printed out as well. But say we want D. If D is in list 1, we'll print D is in list 1. Else, we'll print D is not in list 1. And see, D is not in list 1. It's very important to know that list is a special keyword in Python, so you see it turns green, and so you cannot name your list list. You have to name it something else like list 1 or L or L1 or whatever you want.